Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to teach you on a guide on how you can dash behind someone here in Jujutsu Shenanigans. Before we do get into this guide, make sure you to like the video if you find this video helpful. This is a very useful technique, obviously because dashing behind an opponent is one of the best ways to beat players who are holding a block. If you attack from the front, their block will stop. One of the best ways to beat players who are holding a block is attacking behind because it'll bypass that defense. First things first, the standard dash method if you're playing on a PC is just running towards your opponent by holding W, then hitting Q to dash. As you pass through the enemy, quickly flick your mouse 180 degrees so that your camera turns around behind them, and then immediately hit left click to attack. The key here is timing. You want to turn your camera right after the dash so your attack lands on their back before they can even react. If you're playing on a mobile, the process is very similar, but it does require a little bit more coordination. Just hold your joystick forward towards the opponent, then tap the dash button while your character is dashing. Quickly swipe to the right side of the screen, flick your camera 180 degrees, and as soon as your camera is facing back, tap the punch button or M1 button. Another useful technique is the side dash wrap, which will allow you to move around your opponent who are tracking you on a PC. Just hold A or D to move sideways and then go ahead and press Q to dash. While dashing, curve your mouse movement towards the enemy in a C-shaped motion so that your character wraps around them. On mobile, just move your joystick left or right, tap the dash button, then swipe your camera towards the opponent. While dashing, this is going to curve your movement around their hitbox and place you right behind them. Once you get the timing down, you'll be good to go. This is going to be one of the best reliable ways to break defensive players and land free hits. It really is as simple as that. If you guys did have any questions, just ask them in the comment below. And if you guys do like the video, please do leave a like. Thank you so much for watching. Have a wonderful day.